After your sacred rites of passage, whether it's Itefa or Idoshu, you need to be able to set healthy boundaries about how to secure that ashe and how to protect the ashe that you will be receiving during the sacred rites of passage, and that will need time to settle into you and develop and grow in that 1 year afterwards. You do not need to underestimate the power of other people who may or may not practice this tradition. Some people are not spiritually full, spiritually nourished, spiritually fed. And in an embrace that they lock in on you and hold it too long, their spirit can really try to pull something. In sexual activity, their spirit can really try to pull something. In a very unexpected and what might seem like a random gesture, grab your head. I've seen it happen, you all. I've seen it happen with my own eyes. Regretted that I didn't intervene, or that I didn't have the wherewithal or the knowledge to intervene when I saw someone go through sacred rites of passage. This was not my godchild, but someone else go through sacred rites of passage, and someone who was very close to them, who could only get this close to them, that they were familiar with, came to embrace them and grabbed their head and was like, you got a bald head now. Grabbed their head and literally like shook it. You got a bald head now. Oh man, how am I going to get used to this bald head? I kid you not. And myself and the initiate witnessed in the months and the years that followed, the individual that grabbed their head with their bare hands and shook it in a gesture of camaraderie, right? And brotherly love. We watched this individual, blessing by blessing, acquire the things that was on the initiate's prayer list. We watched that happen in the months and years that followed. That individual acquired a plethora of things that were on the initiate's prayer list. I'm not making this up. And it made me very sad to watch it happen because I was present when that individual grabbed the initiate's head. I just didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. And I was mortified. The initiate was like, that ain't nothing. You be worried about you be worried about some stuff. You can make a mountain out of a molehill. And I'm like, nah. I know that individual. That individual's not living right. I know that individual. That individual don't take care of themselves spiritually. I know that individual. That individual is embodying the spirit of a depraved mad person because they are spiritually deficient. And what I saw with my eyes was not a gesture of brotherly affection. What I saw was something akin to something you might see on an anime cartoon, where one person who is a powerful person uses their spiritual power to siphon, suck, or drain another character of their power. I saw that. That is what I saw happen. I saw the ashe of one person who had just come from sacred rites of passage in Africa. I saw that the light, the power, the ashe that they had been gifted and that they were growing and nurturing and developing and cultivating, I saw that being taken by the individual who grabbed the initiate's head and literally shook it in a gesture of brotherly love and affection. That is what I saw. And I regret it to this very day that I did not know what to do to stop that from happening. And so I tell you all, protect yourself. Take heed to the instructions that I'm giving you today. follow the instructions with hypervigilance, not zealousness, not with extremity, but with hyper awareness, hyper vigilance about what you need to do to protect the ashe that is going to be gifted to you. That you do not do something on your own, within your own person, to dilute or destroy it, but also that you do not allow yourself to be exposed to others who may intentionally or unintentionally attempt to take it from you by various means.